Hi children, good morning. Have a wonderful day. You know me? Yeah, I am your Raji ma'am. Today I am going to take EVS for you. Before we move on to the class, let us have fun. Can we sing a beautiful song? Will you join me? Yeah, go. Let's go to the zoo, storm like the elephants do. Let's go to the zoo, storm like the elephants do. So storm, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's go to the zoo, jump like the kangaroos do. Let's go to the zoo, jump like the kangaroos do. So jump, 1, 2, 3. Good. Let's go to the zoo, swim like the monkeys do. Let's go to the zoo, swing like the monkeys do. How you sing? 1, 2, 3, 4. So do 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Let's go to the zoo, waddle like the penguins do. Let's go to the zoo, waddle like the penguins do. Waddle, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, let's go to the zoo. Very good. Very interesting song, right? So, now, let me see you all are not feeling tired. Instead, you are very healthy. So, you can stand, jump, then clap, and then sit. Can we do it 4 times? Stand, jump, then clap, and then sit. Okay, 1. Stand, jump, clap, then sit. Second time. Stand, jump, clap, and then sit. The third time. Stand, jump, clap, and then sit. The fourth time. Can stand, jump, clap, and then can sit. So, are you ready for the class? Yes. I can't hear you loudly. Yes. Once more. Yes. Very good. In the beginning, we sang a song, right? What was it all about? It's a song of what? It's a song of animals. So, today we are going to learn about the animals. Are they interesting? Animals in the jungle, animals with us at home and in the water. Or, yeah? Yes, good. Let's move on children. Here we have Riti and her mother with us. And today is a happy day for Riti. She and her mother are going to zoo. Oh, hi, tiger. Elephant, monkey, giraffe. I am seeing all these animals early for the first time. I have seen them only in TV and in books. Mama, can we take this lion to our home? No, my dear, they are wild animals. They live in jungle. We cannot take them home. But we have puppy in our home. It is also an animal, right? Puppy is a dog and dogs are pet animals. Pet animal? Animals living with us like our friends are called pet animals. But in Rahul's home, he has Mintu rabbit with him. Is rabbit also a pet animal? Yes, dear. Rabbit, cat, dogs, parrots, goldfish and all are pet animals. And we should take care of our pets. How do we take care of our pets? We should feed them at regular intervals. We should bathe them regularly. We should take them out for walks. We should take them to a veterinarian for health checkup also. Thank you, Mama. Now I have understood what wild animals and pet animals are and how we take care of our pets. Good, my child. Okay. Next Saturday, we can go to aquatic show. Oh, wow. Mama, what is aquatic show? Dear, it is an exhibition of animals. Oh, so it's like another zoo? Oh no, my dear. In the zoo, we saw the land animals, the animals which live on land. But in aquatic show, it is an exhibition of water animals, the animals which live in the water. Oh, so next Saturday I can see the octopus, goldfish, jellyfish and all. I am so thrilled. I am eagerly waiting to be Saturday. Dear, you know one thing? There are some animals which live both on land and in water. Yes, I know. Frog is living both in water and on land. Not only frog, dear, animals like crocodiles, tortoise, etc. are living both on land and in water. They are called amphibians. What? Amphibians. Oh dear, it's time. We should feed our puppy. Come, let's go. Hurry up. So children, what do you understand from this conversation? Can anyone recall? Yes, about wild animals. Then, yeah, pet animals. Is that all? No. Yes, we have learned about animals living on land and in water. Yes, some of you are very clever. We also learned about amphibians, animals living both on land and in water. Good. So children, do you have a pet at home? Yeah. Do you love them? Of course. Do you give proper care to your pets? Okay. Do you feed them regularly? Alright. Wonderful children. You are all. I know you do all these. Okay. I forgot to tell you. Likit has a pet dog in his house. So Likit, do you give proper care to your pet? Do you feed them regularly? Likit, I can't hear you. Oh yes, he feeds them, gives bath to them and takes them out for a walk. And Sijal, you have cat at home, right? And are you enjoying taking care of the cat? So let me ask you, baby, what will you do when the cat is not feeling well? Yeah, you should have to take them to a veterinary and food checkup, right dear? So children, whenever you are sick, your parents take you to doctor, right? Similarly, even animals need regular checkup. And Aditya, what did you see on your way to Wayanad? Yeah, it was an elephant. So children, where does elephant live? Yes, elephant lives in jungle. So it's a wild animal. Next, I have one interesting game with me. So children, are you ready to play with me? So come on, let's play. Okay, so here we have some hungry animals and these hungry animals need to eat. So can we help them to match each animal with their food like to eat? Okay, come, let's play. We got rabbit here. Where is rabbit's food? Yeah. Yes, we got it. It is carrot. Just now we saw rabbit eating carrot, right? Similarly, every animal has its own favorite food. So kids, can you help them to have their food? Yeah, we have lion, dog, cat, parrot and monkey. So what is lion's favorite food? Is it this one? What is this? This is bone, right? So this is this the one which lions eat? It is the favorite food of lion? No. So what is this? It's milk. Is this one? No. Okay. Is this one? Yeah, it's meat. So this is the favorite food of lion. So we can give meat to lion because lion is so hungry, right? Okay. Let lion have this meat. Okay. So come to the other one. What is this? It is dog. So what is dog's favorite? Is this one? Yeah, it's right. So we can give bone to dog. So next we can have cat. Is this one the favorite food of cat? No. Okay. Is this banana? No. Is it? Okay. So is this one? Yes. Milk. We know that milk is a favorite food of cat. Meow, meow. Okay. Oh. Now the other one is parrot. What is favorite food of parrot? Is it banana? Is it? No. Is this one? Chili. Yeah. We can give chili to parrot. Please have it, parrot. Okay. So next, what is next? It's monkey. So we know that monkeys likes having bananas. So let's give him banana. Who? Everyone is having his food? Okay. Okay. Let them eat their food. We can go. So children, no living creature can survive without food. All animals needs to eat. Food gives us energy to do our daily task. Even animals need energy to perform their daily tasks. Animals like cows, goat, deer, horses and giraffe eat grass and leaves. Some animals like lion, cheetah and tigers eat the flesh of other animals. Some animals like bear and crows eat both plants and flesh of other animals. Oh my God! What's this? Yes, parrot and honeybee. They are talking to each other. Well, I am eager to know what they are talking about. Would you like to join? Hey, look at him. Why are you laughing at me? I am also like you. You can also fly around. Yes, you can fly. But you're very small. Do you have beak like us? We have sharp beak and I'm bigger than you. Even I'm small, I can do many things that even you cannot do. So what do you have more than me? You only have 2 legs. Look at me. I have 6 legs. So children, count how many legs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Good. And I have wings. Even I have wings and even I can fly and looks very beautiful. You know how it is? These small feathers makes me beautiful by giving colors. You ask me so many things. Let me ask you something. Can you make food for human beings? I can do. My food that I store is used as honey by human beings and they use it as a medicine also. Yes, I can't, but most of my friends can. You know, hen gives eggs to human beings and loads more. Anyway, I thought I was very important. But even though you are small, you made me realize that every creature on this world has some or other role to play and are important. Now, can we be friends? Oh, it's very nice. They too become friends. So, we come to know that birds can fly, have a beak, two wings, feathers and two legs. And using the beaks, birds feeds on insects and grains. And most birds make nests to lay eggs in them. And insects are small in size and most of them have legs and wings. So children, can you count how many legs are there for insects? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Very good. So let me ask you. At night, we can hear a buzzing sound near the ears. Zzz. Yeah? The buzzing sound we hear is made by the flapping of the mosquitoes' wings. And mosquitoes also likes to harm us. They love to drink blood from human beings and animals. And how it looks like? Is it small or big? Yeah, it is small in size and have wings and legs. So we can say it is an insect. How? It is an insect. Very good. Come on, let's join a party that is going on here. Oh wow, so many kinds of animals here. Look around. We can see wild animals, pet animals, birds, insects and even we have water animals. Are you all ready to join the party? Hi everyone, I am Raji. I teach EVS in Divine Providence School, Bangalore. Look there, I have come along with all my students. We have come to meet you all. I already introduced myself. Now, can you all introduce yourself? That it would be easy for my students to know much more about you. Hi everyone, I am Lion. I live in jungle. So, I am a wild animal. And I am the king of the jungle. Hello, my name is Giraffe. I am also living in jungle and I am the world's tallest mammal. Hi dears, my name is Dog. I am a pet animal and I love having bones. Hi, my name is Peacock. You know, I have a huge fan-like colorful feathers. I have 2 legs, wings, even I can fly. And then I can say I am a bird. And I love to dance with the rainy clouds. Dear friends, I am ostrich. I am a bird. I have 2 legs, 2 wings but I cannot fly, but I can run so fast. And I am the largest bird in the world. Hi, my name is Honeybee. You can also call me bee. I am an insect. I collect nectar from the flowers and make honey. Have you tasted my sweet honey? Hi everyone, I am dolphin. I am a carnivorous. I eat meat. I am a water animal. Okay, thank you all. We want to live. So children, say thank you to your animal friends. Thank you. And now we can recap what all things we have learned till now. Are you ready? So now we have finished the chapter 13, the animal kingdom. So far we have we go through the different kinds of animals, land, water and air. For land animal we have example lion, rabbit. Well, lion is a wild animal, rabbit is a pet animal. And birds we have example parrot. For insect, there's butterfly, and water, there's fish. So children, let me give you some activities to do. Okay, the first activity, to find out the birds that cannot fly. And the second activity, to find out which bird was used to carry messages many years ago. Dear children, we have finished the chapter. See you in the next video. Till then, safe at home and happy learning.